Okay, so now we are UV'd. We need to take this out in order to bake. But I just want to do a quick check. One thing that I think I've forgotten thinking about this is I raised the buttons of my low poly, but I don't think I did it for my high. And no, I didn't. So I need to grab my high poly, grab those, and I'm just going to combine those together for a moment. So I'll just grab that as well. And I want to come in. Oh, not to the UVs. That'll crash my computer if I do that. There we go. And I want to grab my vertices. Go into my side view. I want to grab, say, like that line there. And grab my tool. Snap to somewhere in the center. Turn on the low poly wireframe and then just hold down V, snap that up to the top. So then we've got that there. Doesn't seem too close actually. I think I might just come in and readjust my low poly as well. And it sticks. It goes right down. So you just want to check over everything basically. Make sure that these things don't come back later on. It will come up in the normal map when we bake anyway. But now I'm just going to grab all of that, but I want to scale in oops in both axes. So I'll want that green one there. So maybe if we're coming from the top, that's better. Grab that green one and just tighten that off. I think that would be better. Come over to here. I think I need to do the same. And then the one issue that I've got with this at the moment is the way in which I've done it is that, oops, scale. No. I went on the wrong guide, I think. Is that those UVs are going to be slightly skewed now. So object mode, let's just grab. I don't think it'd matter too much. Just grab that. And that's kind of cutting across there as well, which I've just noticed, which is not ideal at all. So ideally, I should come back into the vertex. Let's just hide my low poly and then I can come in and get my vertex tool out and I'm just going to snap that to there. and to there, and to there. Doesn't matter about the rest because it's not going to be visible. But I want to make sure that this doesn't cause me any issues. Which I think it is already. Just want to line those up. Let's just that whole edge is causing me issues. Okay, so let's just come in. Oops. I'm going to select this whole edge. Flatten that in, like so. And I'm also going to do it this way, just to make sure. And now we shouldn't have any issues there. They should be a little closer. And we'll go from there.